guys, welcome back, and it's your favorite guy Ebenezer Link. And in today's video guys, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing us how to get access to Udemy paid courses for free. All right, so you can actually, Udemy is actually a place where you can actually get access to learn courses like videography, graphic design, a lot of courses you can actually learn on udemy.com. all right, so right now in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can get access to these courses for free, like the paid courses for free without paying a dime. All right, so I've actually done a video now you can get access to these courses before, but then I'm actually trying to get you guys a simpler strategy that can help you get access to these premium courses without paying a dime. So without further ado guys, I'm going to go back to my phone screen. I'm going to use my phone to show you guys this, because I want to show you guys that this actually works on all devices. I'm going to use my phone to show you guys how I can actually get access to these courses without paying a dime. So without further ado guys, let's go and let me show you guys all the nitty-gritties, everything you need to know. All right, let's go. All right guys, welcome back, and just like I told you guys earlier, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get access to Udemy paid courses for free. All right, so I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to first of all explain how all of this works, because if you understand how it works, that is when you can be able to use the strategy I'm going to show you guys. It's just a simple strategy, but first of all you need to understand how the strategy works. All right, so how are we going to get access to these Udemy courses? First of all, let me explain that people who create Udemy courses are like, they're content creators, but then they get paid for the content they create, for the tutorials they make. Like on YouTube we do it for free, but then on Udemy, like they create tutorials, stuff that you can get, and then they attach a price to the course. So now sometimes now these creators actually get to give you what we call a coupon code. Like it's a series of numbers, alphabets, they give it to you and you actually apply it on your course, and then you get a discount and price. So let's say they are selling their course at 1,000 naira, yeah, and you apply the coupon code, you can actually get a 50% discount, and then you get to buy it at 500 naira. All right, and while some of them will actually give you a coupon code that allows you to get the course for free, yeah, it happens. And in this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to get this course for free. And basically you need a coupon code to get access to these courses. So I'm going to show you how you can get this coupon code and how you can actually apply this coupon code so you can get the best results. All right, so that is it basically, and let's start now. So you need to have a Udemy account. First of all, get to understand that you need to have a Udemy account, because it's not going to work if you don't have a Udemy account. All right, so when you get your Udemy account, you can actually go through it, see the courses you want. All right, I believe you have a course that you want already, and then you don't have them, maybe you don't want to spend the money to buy the course, and that is why you're watching this video right now. So look at the courses you want, all right, and you can actually get those courses here. So what do you do to actually get those courses? Now I explained it earlier, so you need to just know how to use Google. It's that simple. That's a strategy. Just know how to use Google. So when you come over to Google right here, you're going to search for something important. So you just type Udemy coupon code. It's that simple. Udemy coupon code. And when you type Udemy coupon code, you're going to see different websites. They're going to give you Udemy coupon codes that you're going to use, and these coupon codes are going to help you to go back to Udemy. Like some of this website now, you just need to get the city course, click on it, and it redirects you back to Udemy. All right, but some of them will show you coupon codes. So you can go through this website. The first website right here, it's my vouchers. It's not opening up. I don't know why. Let me just go back. It's called myvoucherscodes.co.uk. So you can actually check it out. And the next one you have Skillshare is not for voucher. It's not for coupon code, so you're gonna skip it. So you can actually open this. If you're using your laptop, you can actually open this on different tabs and check them out. This one is called couponcourse.com. Check it out. You can get your coupon codes. And you have Gadget 360. You have a lot of websites right here that you can actually check out. All right, so I did a video previously, and I showed you guys the strategies I use in getting these coupon codes, and they are basically websites that I would always recommend. So if you actually want to see the website that I do recommend, you can actually go back to my YouTube channel right here and see the website that I do recommend, and this website can actually help you get access. Like they're the ones I've used so far, and I got access to the courses that I needed. So you can actually go through use the coupon codes and get access to these courses. So guys, that's it. Basically, it's not a big deal. All right, so when you're done with this first page on Google, like, you can actually scroll the way down. You can see it keeps coming up. So you just continue doing that till you get what you're looking for exactly. So let's say you go you check out the first website, and it doesn't give you a coupon code for the course you're looking for. Check out the next one. So guys, that's it. I think I've taken much of your time, guys. Right now I'm going to allow you guys to go out there and check out those websites using Google and get the coupon codes, and voila, use the resources properly. All right, I wish you guys all the best, and I still remain your favorite guy, Benny Zatling. See you guys in my next video.